Baby, and kid wako. I go share Singapore kakra.
Oh, Singapore.
Yeah, was the hotels in your top notch. Marriott phone. But did them
when you US, mammy.
The US in holiday.
UKB.
Uko US
Florida, no.
US holiday.
Oh, remember.
We are going
holidays,
we are going US who done. Some people done their catcher and you want to get it.
I see.
But sometimes Uko US holiday.
Oh, remember.
You know, you see, Mama Wingani. You must all try, Rich. Yes, no.
Mr. Before Kofi ever started ne discussion about the UEFA Champions League, you know. One opesa bet a bet way cold and a day mount. Enti say any bet way dia untimi me join it sa group we. Me the number name so obeka group no ho a. O abruchira obetimi afa. O Ghana hanso a obetimi afa. Na number no onso aba beka betting group no ho. Ye the code ni tuma no afa bi na onso no wakwa akotwa. Me ba cho number no 0247 93 2805 0247 93 2805 obese obeka yem betting a group no ho a number no nam dia to dwane na wafa na se wonso no watimi aba beka ho ti yensen komona se anu 9 matches and your boy and then so no you another 9 games didina no I was say a preview at the mamo awujumadi no so dibra YouTube and Share TV na a part of the show. Kofi,
and now, like you said, we had the first batch of UEFA Champions League matches, and which I think it is noteworthy to start by commending Vincent Kompany.
I heard you.
I didn't expect them to control the game and play like they did yesterday. To be very honest with you. Ubekaya, Abra Vincent Kompany, Enzo Maresca, Chelsea boy. Mibeka Chelsea say, game no. I did not think say it was down to Chelsea's inexperience. I remember I said it's a tactically Vincent Kompany bu Enzo Maresca. He was better than him. And in yesterday's analysis, I kept on telling you, say the bigger test for Vincent is that Sir Maresca mo level any side you know. No, Enrique mo level ni next one. It was so like the boss Pep Guardiola. So if he goes to the Parc des Princes and dominates it and wins it, then he deserves all the credit. With 16 games, he has met some very difficult teams on the way, and a team Bayern Munich was solid and dry. Sometimes our game states have a huge effect on how the game turns out. Maybe CCC match, just like the time Dembele Ete Kanaye outside no after the when the muscle injury he's out, and then how the game in itself turned around. The first goal of Luis Diaz shared, the time he scored made the game state a little because I felt like
4 minutes now Bayern Ashe.
Yes, I felt like in the first opening game he played. Paris Saint-Germain had a chance, then Bayern also had a chance. You remember yesterday we spoke about the fact say which department will win the game. Was it going to be the defense or was it going to be the attack? It looked as if, say, Rich, the Bayern defense that we didn't even give too much credit for were much more decent. On the
very resolute.
Yeah, no, me a very solid. And I think that the solidity of the defense of Bayern hinges more on the role of Abranche friend Stanisic and a Konrad Laimer. They do a very good job because these are not natural fullbacks. Only are more like midfielders that add a lot of physicality to a cheer on them when Bayern are playing. Rich, and it was an absolute display from football club Bayern Munich. And they won the game. Vincent Kompany deserves a lot of credit. Rich, you see, they gave the ball to Paris Saint-Germain. So the statistics now: 71 possessions to Paris Saint-Germain, 21 to Bayern Munich. Paris Saint-Germain created 2.01. Bayern Munich created 1.445. But then still, it's the clinicality of Bayern for attack that made the difference. So much, and congratulations to them. On a night where Paris Saint-Germain needed to stand up and they make a difference. No, it wasn't them. It wasn't them. It was Tima, your friend of Bayern Munich, and Juman. Then the next big one. Which did you expect? I think both of us said Liverpool will win.
Sure.
But I don't think so. We expected it to be this, not emphatic in terms of results, as in goals, yes, but emphatic in terms of Madrid for one in local colloquial terms. Because so the data, Madrid born on the they created an XG of less than 0.5. It's XG now Madrid created ever form. And so we see Anna slot after the game. Anna say, in preparation of the match, he told his team say either they press very high and aggressive against Madrid to stop Mbappe and Vini, or they be in a compact low block on permanent block. And we push a game now. Madrid will have the ball, try to pass it around, but they were toothless. So Liverpool of pressing, they were much more better in their press. They stepped up the press better. And then when they came back to the compact low block, it was difficult for Football Club Real Madrid to bring them down.
I don't know, it's a normal bread here. Madrid team born on bono.
Oh, I don't think it was tiredness.
I'm sure I'm at a point there because I know a game clearly not a Liverpool versus Tebokotoa.
Yeah.
Liverpool never born in na. And me say to me, game na meeting me expectation. Na born kakama me. Oh, gonna as a Liverpool, yeah. The Madrid I know,
yeah.
Champions League night.
Yeah.
Me who Madrid team no.
But Rich, Madrid have played 4 or 3 big games this season. They've lost 2.
Mm-hmm.
And in all of those games, their opponent team will really has ceded possession to Madrid. And they've allowed Madrid play. In the Clasico that Madrid won, Madrid the follow gave the ball to Barcelona and they heads Barcelona. But in the game against Atletico de Madrid that they lost, in the game against Liverpool and Ronaldo, in both games, the game opponents gave the ball to Madrid, either press high or start in a compact low block and allowed Madrid to play. Madrid were toothless. From last night, I've been thinking, say, yes, Xabi Alonso is doing well, but in the next stage of building a formidable side is truly to how to control games. And now, our branch friend Eduardo Camavinga on the right central midfield area, it did not work. Mm-hmm. The angles did not favor him in that area to really, impose himself in the match and then be very, very creative from that part of the pitch. It did not happen for him. And that is why it's Ushe data now. And on your tactical board, which you look at this data and it tells a simple story. Liverpool restricted Real Madrid to just 0.45. You can see here 0.5. 0.45 XG tonight. That is the lowest figure Madrid have registered in any game in over a year. 0.47 was the previous one against Villarreal last year, 2024.
So it means that the master man Americano.
Yeah.
Real Madrid only need a game. Mm-hmm. I know, especially some away in the Champions League. They always hurt you.
Yeah.
Or counter.
Yeah.
But then Madrid team know they could can crack. Throughout the 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Anya Shekra Obenya setting Vinicius Junior. Odoba Koba could be. Mbappe do Koba could be. But then so much ball now. Mbappe no crack the bar. No slow game, no. No mapa pass, no.
You see,
Vinicius the same thing.
You see,
Conor Bradley cried on money movie.
I think that whilst Nyawo Kane is very, very legitimate now. One thing you take a lot of credit for Liverpool.
No. That's something I know. I'm not
saying that that's what you are doing.
Me catch was a Liverpool be there.
Yeah, but no, in the game state, one thing I take a lot of credit for Liverpool because Rich, Niamani telling they say yes, Mbappe on any day creates. Even against Atletico de Madrid and Barcelona, they created chances. But why is it that Liverpool stopped them from creating? It's scenarios like this. It is the job of Ibu Konate, and we've mentioned in the last few days, Liverpool have struggled defensively. But in this game, they were spot on in stopping Mbappe.
Madrid
because Liverpool
wanted... Show simple. Mama admire diamond.
Because we born now, but okay, me go for some crap.
The Champions League go park of Bobby and Kebeju.
Liverpool won the game by doing the job on 2 of Madrid.
I must have not made
more Champions League also see Bobby and Casa Ben Ukraine. Ben Macas and Kofubi. And Camina B2 and Camilla medicine. Senior, also biological science. Your biological science, I am quick. And Casazana, CC and no medicine, you know that's the fuck.
Nkaminyana ntama.
What we got ntama?
Now what do I do?
You fast not going.
Pastor, let's proceed. Let's proceed.
I think Conor Bradley was very, very good on their branch of Ibu Konate. Which, see, I make us in the Twitter. Say, this boy Conor Bradley, he could have been one of the best right backs, and Liverpool probably wouldn't have needed to replace Trent Alexander-Arnold with Obia. But I say, once a while, big game, Madrid versus Atletico Madrid sometime. Even last year, then he goes to sleep and comes later. If Conor Bradley can put up consistent performances like what he showed yesterday, I think he's going to be exceptional. From Team Friend Football Club, friends and Liverpool. Congratulations to Thibaut Courtois. Which in the Champions League, you need difference makers.
Me can say Pro 11.
Yeah.
Now me catch Ayala say. Me choose Donnarumma because Oshe season now do the Paris Saint-Germain no. Na deserve be Thibaut Courtois ahead of him.
Last year was Duna.
And yes sir, look, in yeah, generation we goalkeepers there, Ubia no betu Thibaut Courtois.
Thibaut Courtois is the best goalkeeper.
The reach, the reflexes.
And see, usually in a modern game where Donnarumma Mokro Moso want to say no na.
Onum good.
And there back a tie shade Donnarumma, and this weekend Man City played in the English Premier League. Area ball, your boy na Donnarumma ja 20 abashe. Donnarumma, the last international break, Italy national team, Omni Israel, ni abobo na Korea, do na chebo na fun. Courtois don't make those mistakes. And on Samsung in ball, he is not the whatever. He's a goalkeeper that can still play. And I mean, he is one of Real Madrid's best player. It happened. Virgil van Dijk said original touchline. Ne AI and said you see in 2019 Champions League final. Omubo ni Real Madrid winning. Rich, what do you make of how Liverpool treated Trent Alexander-Arnold?
Many anyo. Yes, Abrante don't. Obi be kasa kwan no fa so kwan no. Liverpool for niya, but I think at the end of Zona Branton I yama Liverpool no. At least next and come hesa anima no. He's done so well. Or Benny Deuce.
Jimmy Carragher
say, Liverpool.
Jimmy Carragher say yes, he has done so well. He has paid his dues for Liverpool. But Ojiri say Nientia, Emma Liverpool fans a treaty Trent Alexander-Arnold saying he say, Sir Rich, you build your love for the club on the fact say, oh, me a scouse. Oh, me I'm a fan of the club. Hey, me I come from the club from age 6. I love the club. Like what catcher fans they say, you are one of them. You will stay there forever. It's not about going anywhere. Last season, when you were coming off, when you were making sounds like this and Casanodo, you are not going anywhere. The fans also have every right to feel betrayed.
And normal.
No, because on the front side, it's normal. So you ought to go and chase your dreams of playing for the best club in the Riasia. They also have to express their.
Etiana Karim Benzema cast on Ufri Madrid.
It is a Madrid fan this year. Exactly, the Madrid fan this year. So also cast also on Hala Karim Mustafa Benzema. I also
many are John de Ana.
Oh, me I saw it as normal. It happens in football.
Oh, but I'm also a branch of Henry. You can mean.
But he's a pro. He has to keep it together.
Who said the ABC?
He has to keep
it together.
Anticipated And Arsenal went away to Slavia Prague and make it 8 games consecutive wins without conceding a single goal. Torian Mosper Etne FC Copenhagen by 4-0. Luciano Spalletti's second game of ball draw against Sporting CP. 3-1 win for Atletico de Madrid against Union Saint-Gilloise. Antonio Conte, I see if I knew that Conte double chance. Conte. Yeah, Antonio Conte. Very, very stubborn. And now codes now boys need to side no. It took the meticulousness of that game we. And yes, I can in a bit.
Games
very, very one pass. Emma Bibia, I come on. Antonio Conte needs to look at it when it comes to you. Which I think that today's games majorly is an opportunity for 3 clubs. Barcelona, Chelsea, Newcastle. No more big opportunity. Because based on a table now and after matches now, Newcastle, Chelsea, Barcelona can go to 9 points and give themselves a chance at going into the top half. That is the top 8 now. Why didn't I mention Dortmund or Manchester City? Because both of them are playing each other. Both of them, at least one will drop points, or both of them can drop points. But Chelsea is going away to go and play against Karabakh in Azerbaijan. And Rauti Enzo Maresca in his pre-match press conference, the first thing that is imperative, and he said, Abranti, friend Pedro Neto is out of the squad, but remember back in the weekend when the Chelsea play against Wolverhampton Wanderers. Which, see, in matches like this, you have to win.
Yeah.
Karabag and Lusu game in the Champions League. But for a while now, Chelsea's biggest problem has been the lack of consistency. Mimaka. So in terms of tactics and setting up teams, there are only a few managers in the English Premier League and even over that are better than Maresca. The problem has always been how to get those results consistently. He has to find a way to get a job done and do it consistently. When he goes to go to play against team and friend Qarabag away from home, Qarabag for now not lost at home. Last week, Omoni Athletic Club de Bilbao airborne. Make sure say I don't trust Bilbao. Almost your first go into Bilbao for no. Eba bet say share honum. Omu bisa Abrante friend Enzo Maresca about the captain, Reece James and Abrante friend Romeo Lavia about the game. I think Chelsea should win. For me, the secret weapon should be how Chelsea press and counter press them and become defensively solid. I think they say a game at Chelsea require way to go and beat Qarabag. If they don't win, then it puts them in a very difficult place because at least we have 15 points to qualify.
Mobile to you.
It's our Qarabag.
And yes, me Edmond team I'm supporting.
Who supported Qarabag
In the Champions League.
Who supported team?
Oh, I'm Bao.
Because
because you have grown to be Qarabag. Also champion year Amobi. And the second team is Qarabag FK.
Qarabag Azerbaijan League no matter.
Me no na me
nobody also supported team.
No, team na nkasa na me promise I love the team.
How is that possible?
I love the team keke.
How is it possible say team I also love, you know? You don't know how many times they've won the league.
Then they found me.
They say they won't support.
No, me support team based on ne trophies and whatever waje. No. I just love the team. Me promo born no mo born.
Town be no mo born.
Town be no bombo.
Aye, City be no bombo. Say na Kotoko.
Masa, me say.
City am support.
Me ye Qarabag FK supporter.
Qarabag JB.
It's a shaman and
Barca go away to go and play against Club Brugge. I switch. Barca have to win against Brugge.
Okay.
But Brugge is a stubborn side.
Sure.
Makase they be make sure I'm in the playoffs or the Champions League, you know. I began to get very careful about predicting when I'm talking about Club Brugge. I expect, according to what I heard from Hansi-Dieter Flick, you know, the players that have trained very, very well. This week, Omi are very sharp, Omi are very fit. They've become very, very resolute. Oh, I'm training, and he thinks that they can do that. Did you ever think, say, a branch friend Marcus Rashford was going to be the main man for Barcelona at some point in time?
Especially said the first season.
Yeah.
Oh, Barcelona. With the form now, no different England. Yes, of course, on Villa. No.
Yeah.
Obo kakra fine, but of course, Barca in there. Ne form ni so.
You see now, Hansi Flick said he loves what a branch friend Marcus Rashford. Now the team is almost back together. Dani Olmo back, Ferran Torres back, Robert Lewandowski back, Lamine Yamal, Marcus Rashford. I'm expecting that there will be goals in the game, and then there's going to be a big one for Team Friend Football Club Barcelona. And of course, Man City yet Nefi, they are playing against Team Friend of Dortmund. Which and we will be saying Erling Haaland about the comparison between Ono any Cristiano Ronaldo, any Lionel Messi. Or say no, not at all. I am far off. Nobody can get close to them. So no, Haaland on the comparison. I think Haaland over here was being a little bit modest. If he keeps on going at the rate at which he's going at, I think Zabrante friend Erling Haaland can get to those levels. Newcastle Nefi Abo against team and friend Athletic Club de Bilbao. I think that this is going to be a good double chance for Athletic Club when they stay at home. I don't see team and friend Athletic Club winning in some match Rich. So these are the games I'll run through for you. Near amount bet codes First one, Pafos playing against team and friend Burial. Burial have the quality to win away, but I doubt that they'll be able to do that. So I'd rather give them a double chance when they play in this game. I expect Chelsea to win, although in fact Chelsea in come most of the course, when I take them out. Ajax versus Galatasaray, either team to win and over 1.5. Benfica versus Bayern for Leverkusen. Another game that I would shy away from. Club Brugge and Barcelona. Barca to win and over 1.5. Inter create Amati, obviously I expect say Inter be winning. Dortmund, Man City, either team to win and over 1.5. Marseille versus Atalanta is another straight win for Marseille on either team to win and over 1.5. And then I expect say Newcastle will stay at home and then do their job against Tima, your friend Athletic Club, which I expect that these things will happen. Mami Mao, and that coach here they corner, which and when it got dry and difficult, we were still able to get some 6-7 OTB. And my boys need to media, and they expect to see it. Now, just before me the code number 2 Jano, Michelle Pa, and the birthday of Sidi. My name is Sidi birthday. Sidi, one of my barbers. Sidi Michelle, Yamema Wodapa, and BB and Kamarich, and then my codes no BWEFC1A82 and the first code. Second one BW1EFC0E1B. Third one BW1EFC05CA. Fourth one BW1EFBE9B9. Rich, we wait to take his screenshots and I say Oko Fiifi Manfred, Twitter, Facebook, you get all the codes there. Okay. Your bumper is ready enter greens.
Amen. Fiifi Manfred. Yan found in so na Bismarck goes to Empire la. And so me fa baton and fianco. But before no, my catcher say insure passports there a full package. Your mouse was so. Your mouth goose sports assign